I'm a mama. Yeah. Let's talk.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Another video here with Fernanda, and I'm going to be doing the I tried following a blank makeup tutorial. And yes, by the title you guys already know I'm doing Daisy Marquez. I really love her. She inspires me so much. We have so much in common, like you don't even know. And I'm going to be following one of her videos, see how it comes out. And I just want to give a shout out to Michelle Perez for buying me these for my birthday. And a new update, I did have a new background and I got my nose pierced. So yeah, let's just get right into this video. Okay guys, so for this video I'm going to be watching one of Daisy's videos, doing the modern renaissance makeup tutorial that she has. It's this one right here. I'll have a little video clip right here so you guys could see it while I'm doing it. Yeah, so I'm gonna be watching her video. I'm gonna be watching her video. So, and I'm gonna try to follow along with what she's doing. Oh, she got a poppin' ass highlight.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I created this look using the Modern Renaissance palette. It is so freaking beautiful. I hope you guys enjoy it. Do not forget to tag me if you do recreate this look. And I will already have my eyebrows done because I did record a brow tutorial since it was highly requested.
So she already has her eyebrows done, so
I'm gonna set my eyes.
I'm gonna have to do my eyebrows off camera and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I am back. I have my eyebrows done. She only did her eyebrows. She hasn't concealed them yet, so we're gonna do that right now.
Concealer. Everybody does ask me how I set my eyes.
So she sets her eyes with concealer. She doesn't say what concealer, so I'm just gonna use the one I use because she doesn't say which one she uses. So I'm gonna be using the Glamour Flaw in Light, and I'm just gonna conceal my eyes. I'm just gonna conceal my eyebrow because I didn't conceal in my eyebrow, and then I'm just gonna bring down the concealer. She just puts the concealer on her eyes, but I'm gonna do my eyebrows and my eyes because I didn't conceal my eyebrows. So she conceals her eyelids. Okay guys, so there you have it. I concealed my eyes.
I'm gonna be taking Beaches and Cream. I do not have the single shadow, but I'm gonna be using it from
So she's taking the Beaches and Cream. It's like a light brown. I don't have that shade, but I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced White Peach palette, and I'm gonna go in with this brown shade because it looks similar to the one she's using, so I'm gonna be using that one. And she's just placing it everywhere in her lid and just setting it. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna grabbing my Morphe PK524 and just gonna set that brown shade. Just how she is. She's just using patting motions.
First, we will be using this color right here, which is...
Stop, you're going too fast, girl. You're going too fast.
Bitch, she naked. Ice on the cake when I bake it. I'm switching lanes in the range. Sup at the dick for the brain. Sup at your bitch for your main.
So it kind of looks like hers. And then, whoa. Don't go nowhere, girl. Then she's going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills.
Burnt orange with the Morphe M441.
She's going in with burnt orange.
Buffing that.
And she's buffing that in the crease.
This will be our transition shade.
As a transition shade.
Just going back and forth. And then circular motions like always.
Kind of wing it in out.
Next we'll be taking
Don't go too fast, girl. Don't go too fast. So she kind of wings it out. Yeah.
Next we'll be taking this color right here.
So she's taking Real Gar and she's placing it in the crease as well.
Next we'll be taking this color right here.
Nope, hold on. So she's taking Real Guard and she's just placing that in her crease as well. And just wiper motions. So we put Real Guard in the crease. Now we're gonna go Venetia red.
231 small taper blending inner corner.
So we're gonna focus this in the inner corner and outer corner.
Sure both colors are well blended.
Okay. So in the inner corner and outer corner, and we're gonna try to avoid the middle part right here. So that's what I'm doing, and then she goes in and she blends it, and I'm using my Morphe 576 because I don't have the one she has, so I'm going to be using this brush to blend. We blended it.
On top of that, we're going to be taking the love letter. Once again, repeating the steps.
She's going to repeat the steps. So love letter, and we're just going to repeat the same steps. So in the inner corner and outer corner, and just go in.
Taking Primavera in the center of the lid.
The center of the lid. So she didn't say to wet it, and I usually wet it when I put it in my eyes, but we're not going to wet it. She's going to go in with Primavera, this color right here. It's so pretty, and she puts that in the in the middle of her eyes right here, and she didn't even cut the crease. She just put it there, so we'll see how that goes. Girl, what you doing, Daisy? It's like not as pigmented as I want it to be, but it's I guess it's alright. So we got Primavera in the middle of the eyelid. Now let's see what she does. So we're going into Love Letter and Vanity Red, and just like we put more, I guess. So we're just gonna use those two shades and just add a little bit more for like the pigmentation, she said.
Called Tempera. Using my BH Cosmetics
We're using Tempera for the eyebrow.
I'm gonna pop on some falsies and I'll be right back.
Okay, then she added some eyelashes off camera, so I'm gonna be doing the same thing and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I am back. I have my eyelashes all done and ready.
For primer,
She didn't even put mascara
or
eyeliner.
The Texas weather does not play.
So I don't have that Becca primer, but I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Inflatable Matte Lock primer, and I'm just gonna be putting this on.
I drop a check on the chain, fuck up a check in the flame. Credit ticket, man, you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset. Yeah, Cardi put the pussy on offset. Cardi be brain on offset. Credit ticket, man, you.
Okay, after she does her primer, she goes in with
HD stick. Personally, this is
foundation, and she's using the Makeup Forever HD stick, and I don't have that, so I'm gonna be using the LA Girl foundation. I haven't tried this thing out, so yeah, so she grinds on her foundation, so hopefully this is my shade. And she uses beauty blender, I think. Yeah.
Go ahead and dab it into the skin.
She's gonna dab that into the skin.
Once that's done, I'm gonna be using this concealer.
Niggas talking crazy. Hang on.
She's gonna go in with
The Makeup
concealer.
Forever Ultra HD concealer.
I'm gonna be using. Okay, so she's using that Makeup Forever HD concealer thing, and I don't have that, so I'm gonna be using the Maybelline one. This is in shade Sand, and she's dotting it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1. She's already blending it out. She's too fast. Okay, then she blends it out.
City. We the richest niggas in the city. Still gotta keep the city in the city. When I'm flying.
Okay. After she conceals, she is setting her face.
Put it bake for 10 minutes and then dust it away.
She doesn't say what baking powder or setting powder she uses. So I seen she grabbed this little sponge, so I was like, I think she's using the air sponge, so I'm gonna be using the air sponge. I don't know which one she's really using, but I'm just gonna bake, and she bakes a lot. So she goes under her eyes, like a lot of powder under her eyes. And then her nose. Her other eye, of course. And then, what else should we bake?
I'm gonna be using this. You guys already know how I do this part. Let it bake for 10 minutes and then dust it away. I'm gonna be
Goddamn, she bakes a lot, guys. Like, seriously, she does. And then her forehead. Took me like 5 minutes to do this. I'm not bashing her or nothing, but wow, I never baked this much. Okay, I usually just bake my under eyes and my forehead, so this is like kind of extra right here, but maybe I'll learn something from it. Who knows? So she bakes like that. Then let's see what she does.
You guys already know how I do this part. Let it bake for 10 minutes.
So
and
10
then dust
minutes.
it away. I'm gonna be using this and then
See, she uses this.
translucent
She
powder.
grabs more translucent powder. Then she bakes her face.
Making sure that there's no extra powder on there.
Okay, then she takes it off. I think I took it off. I heard Airspun is flashback. So yeah. James Charles is quaking right now. Oh my gosh. Okay.
For contour, of course, we're using my Cocoa Contour Kit.
For contour, she's using her Cocoa Contour, and I don't have that. So I'm gonna be using my BH and using this shade right there to contour. More. So let's see how she browns.
I like to take my Morphe 527.
I just like to use the same brush. And she doesn't say what bronzer she uses to bronze her face. So I'm going to use the Butter Bronzer Physician Formula. And just bronze
For
it
blush,
more.
I'm going to be taking the
I guess she only bronzed her cheeks, so let's just bronze them up a little bit more. Okay, she doesn't even blend it.
It is my favorite
I like to blend it.
For blush, I'm going to be taking Luminoso. It is my favorite blush at the moment. This is what it looks like.
easy deposit. Keep a chopstick for the hibachi. You know I'm willing to die behind the Mozzie. Operation
This color and this color.
So these two pink shades for the lower lash line, and just putting it under the lower lash line. So. Oh shit, it's all pink again.
Now that that's done, we're gonna move on to my favorite part, which is the highlight.
Okay, for highlight.
Beverly Hills, So Hollywood, and
I don't have the Anastasia So Hollywood highlighter. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. because this thing is good.
So I was so excited.
So yeah.
I get so sad looking at this because it's broken. Did you guys remember the death?
Mine's actually kind of broken too. So.
With my favorite highlighting brush,
Twins.
the Morphe 510.
My favorite highlighting is the E61. I'm going to be using the Master Pro, so this thing is pretty cool and nice as well, and just going to put it here too. Daisy really loves that highlight like me. That's something we have in common. Like, I really love highlights so much, and so does she. Like, that's her like signature. And she puts it in the inner corners of her eyes. I might not have the Anastasia So Hollywood or whatever, or something expensive that she uses, like Makeup Forever. It's not that expensive, but I don't have it. I don't own it. But I love Daisy so much. Oh, she actually sprays it this time. I don't have Fix Plus, but I have Mario Badescu.
Fix Plus all over my face.
Gonna put more, which I already did a lot. I'm gonna be extra glowy. Just like on my forehead, and then my cheeks, and my nose, and my Cupid's bow. She puts them in her Cupid's bow, and I didn't even see. Okay.
This, and it's so my face won't look so powdery. It's gonna take that away, and it's gonna melt the products into the face.
Oh, now I see why it looks so powdery.
It's gonna make everything look smooth.
So she's gonna spray this all over her face. She added more highlight. Daisy, that's already too much for me. But I guess she really goes in there with that highlight, huh? So put a little bit more.
For lips, I'm gonna be using the Kylie Jenner lip liner in Posy K.
So I don't have the Kylie lipsticks. So I'm gonna be using this one right here. It's the NYC Suede lipstick. And I'm gonna be lining my a pink shade. This is the closest one I have to like the one she's using. So yeah. Okay, this does not look pink. So this one's a bit more like a nude. Hers is like more dark pink, and I really don't have a very dark pink, but I mean it kind of matches me, so why not?
Thank you so much for watching. If you guys do recreate it, do not forget to tag me, because I love retweeting y'all's pictures and giving y'all back the love possible.
The highlight is popping.
Winning all those palettes, the brushes, everything. If you want more details about that, it will be in the description box below. Until next time, bye.
So I'll be tagging Daisy's video down below so you guys could go watch it. Go follow her. She's very nice. She's Daisy. She's poppin'. And yeah, so I'll be linking her down in my description. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Hi.